Hello everyone, I'm glad to see you on my channel. My name is Karina, and now I will show you exercise for your split. Stretch your leg and split. Okay, go down and stretch